Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the new disc lock steering wheel lock we have available, as well as show you how to use it. The disc lock is a security device designed to lock your steering wheel. When it goes onto your steering wheel, it will spin around without being able to spin the actual steering wheel. It's made out of hardened heavy-duty steel, which is resistant to cutting tools and other tools such as crowbars, angle grinders, things like that. And the locking mechanism itself is also resistant to picking and drilling, so you get a lot of security in a very small package, and it's also very easy to use and store away. So as far as how to use it, we'll go ahead and show you how to do that. We'll open the disc lock and unfold the handle. Then we will place the disc lock over the steering wheel and close it up. We'll fold the handle back over it, then we'll slide and hold in the locking pin, and then we will press the chrome lock in until it clicks. To remove the disc lock from your steering wheel, it's essentially the same process, just in reverse. Insert the key into the lock and turn it clockwise until the locking pin releases. Then lift the handle to open the disc lock and remove it from the steering wheel. Afterwards, you can fold the handle inwards and close the disc lock up and store it away. That's all there is when it comes to installing and removing your disc lock steering wheel lock. Like I said, it's very easy to use and it's very easy to store away when you don't need it. And it adds a lot of security to your vehicle or your RV, truck, SUV, whatever you want to put it on. If you like this product and you want to know more about it, click the link in the description below. If you like this video and you want to see more of what we do in the future, including new products, how-tos, and installations, hit the like button and remember to subscribe as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, stay secure with RecPro.